Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set print area in Excel on one page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to set the print area only one page. Now we can see here two sheet and set the two print area. Now I am select the cell and go to the page layout menu. Select the print area drop down menu. Choose set print area option. Then go to the file menu. Click the print option. Now we can see here the data. Now I am select the setting drop down menu and choose print active sheet. And we can see here only one data. Now we click the print option to print. Now we can see we set print area only one page easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.